Hello beautiful people, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Liberian sweet potato greens. This right here is a natural healer and it has so much benefits and vitamins. All the ingredients I use will be listed in the description. The first step is pre-cooking your meat. You can use any meat you want, just season it a little to enhance the flavor. The exotic taste of Liberian food depends on the seasoning you use. So as long as you use the same seasoning I am using in this video, you will get the same taste. Always make sure you wash the leaves before doing anything with them. Carefully chop the greens and onions. You don't have to make it small, but the smaller it is, the easier it is to cook. You can use this method to cook any type of greens: spinach, collard green. Start with smaller amount of oil. I am adding fish to it, so I'm going ahead and frying it first and then taking the bones out to avoid choking. You can skip this step if you are not cooking fish. When I'm frying greens, I like to look at it as if I'm adding oil to a pan of rice. So you don't want that rice to be drenched in oil. Think of it that way. When you're adding oil to your greens, make sure it's not soaked in the oil because you are going to end up with half of the amount you start with. You don't want to end up with more oil than soup. Add in seasonings when the greens is frying. Start light and remember to season with moderation. You can always add more at the end. Stir it every 4 to 5 minutes so it can fry evenly and to keep it from burning. Add your fish while the greens is frying so it can fry with it. When the greens is fried, add in your meat and the broth. If you don't have enough broth, take some water and add them. Stir it and let it cook together. Your soup will be ready when the stems are completely soft. This soup can be eaten with almost anything: rice, couscous, bulgur wheat, plantains, cassava. Just always remember to eat with moderation. And thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you for stopping by the Cycle of Masa.